Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to extract text from a website and summarize it very quickly using OneAI. This is going to be a two-step process. In step 1, we will extract the text from a Wikipedia article, and in the second step, we will summarize it. Everything will be done with just few lines of Python code. That being said, let's get started. Before starting, we need to install OneAI using pip. You can use this pip install OneAI command to install it. And second thing is we need the API key to access OneAI services. We can get this API key from the website. I already got it and saved in the config file. Let me import the API key from the config file. Now I have my API key in the program. Next thing is we need to import OneAI and we need to assign our API key to the OneAI instance. The next thing we need to do is we need to create a pipeline. So pipeline as in what we are planning to do. So as we discussed earlier, what we are going to do, we are going to extract the text from a website. That's step 1. And step 2, we are going to summarize it. So first, let's extract the text from the HTML file. So I will define a variable called pipeline, OneAI.pipeline. To this pipeline, we need to pass the steps. What are the steps that we want to run? So as I said earlier, we have two steps here. The step 1 is extracting the text from the HTML website, right? And after that we will summarize it. So first, for the simplicity, let's have only one step. After that we will come back to the summary part. We have defined our first step, that is extracting the text from the HTML file, that is HTML2 article. Now the pipeline is ready. Now we need to run this pipeline. While running this pipeline, we need to provide the website URL. So here I will give a Wikipedia link which talks about natural language processing. This is a proper website URL. You can check out that. Let me show that. So this is the article that we are going to extract and summarize it. Okay. And what I will do is I will save this output in a variable called output. Okay, so now let's print out that. Instead of printing everything, I will just print out the HTML article that we are going to extract and dot text. Save this one and run. Oh, yeah. See here. Beautiful, right? With just few lines of code, we are able to extract the text from the given website here. You can give any URL. So we will be able to extract the text very easily here. This is pretty cool, right? Now, as I said, let's summarize this one. Instead of reading this entire Wikipedia article, right? Let's summarize it. For summarizing, we need to add the next step. So that is summarizing step. How do we do that? Same thing. OneAI skills. Instead of HTML2 article, we pass summarize here. Okay. So let's print out same output. Okay. So what will happen here? OneAI, it organizes the output in a very structured manner here. So first, what we have done, we have extracted the text from the HTML. So that's why we have HTML article here. After that, we are summarizing it. That means the summarization will be inside this HTML article. So that's why we need to say HTML article dot summary and then text. Okay. So just for a separator, I will just add a separator here. Or in fact, I mean, maybe we can just comment out this part for the time being. Okay, so let's rerun this program. Boom. Amazing, right? We got just 3 lines of summary for this entire Wikipedia article about natural language processing. You can read this one here. Pretty amazing, right? You can see the code here. It is very straightforward. We hardly wrote few lines of code here. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more about OneAI, please check out their documentation, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please share with your friends as well.